Children crave independent play that makes them feel proud and capable. The Toddler Food Prep Mini Kit gives them their very own set of tools for practical skill building and real-life fun in the kitchen. In My First Recipes, your child can follow step-by-step visual directions to make 50 recipes. The goal is to give your child as much independence as possible. The focus is on mini meals and snacks that your child can make with a little advanced prep help from you without an oven or stove. Each recipe has 3 to 4 steps and keeps your child's current stage of development in mind. You've been feeding them since the beginning, so it's so fun that they can now prepare something for you. You'll need the Stackable Fraction Cups and Recipe Prep Cups as they follow instructions, prep, and sort ingredients. The Fraction Cups are really special because they're visual representations of parts of a whole. The child-sized stainless steel bowl makes mixing easier with a non-slip bottom to avoid spills. And your child will love wearing their very own apron.